Before seeing very interesting table, significant, it has to do with politics in Israel, but it's important to know it. So here you have Rivlin, he was the president of Israel a while ago, and he says the following, Zman leodot, this is the time to admit that Israel is חברה חולה, sick society, sick state. Now this what he said, it was in the session, so in the opening it was a session about the subjects of the hatred of the foreign one. So, yeah, unfortunately, this he referred, this word he said, and he said that Israel is such hatred, argument, which you see today in Israel, such hatred to Netanyahu, I will not find in any other country. Frightening. Okay, good thing I don't know Hebrew, but you see Hebrew, every paper, Haaretz mainly, such hatred. Netanyahu has to go out, Netanyahu is dangerous, Netanyahu. Simple forgetting there is somebody else that also hates. This is Hamas, who hates Israel, and they believe that Israel has to be wiped out. They say that Allah, say that Israel have to be wiped out, and this was they are working for, 7th of October. Now they will have a state, so will do it much easier. So no doubt that this hatred that you have in Israel to Prime Minister you will not find it in other countries. Terrible, and this is what the President of Israel, Rivlin, said. Zman leodot, you have to admit that Israel is a sick society. I mean, such hatred is frightening, today in the papers, Haaretz, Diot, everyone, about Netanyahu is like a devil, like a Satan, forgetting that another one, which is a Satan, Hamas, who are doing everything with Iran to wipe out Israel. No, not important. I think they can make peace with Hamas. These people believe in Allah, that they have to wipe out Israel. How can you do peace with such people? So, let us see the table, very interesting table. The old table, so you cannot see it clearly, but here you have, it is basically from the top to the bottom. So you have in blue, Medina Chola. Again, you see, from the Chola, a state which is sick. Once in the Torah. You have Medina Chola, and which one Israel? Israeli once in the Torah. When you have Medina Chola, sick state, base meeting with Israel, which itself already is one of the most important conditions for scientific table. So once in the Torah with Israel. So, what is the solution? Is written in Tshuva, keeping the Torah. Now all the verses here also shows about the great dangers to Israel, and especially you see it so clearly. It comes in Netanyahu, you can see in red Netanyahu. The Netanyahu is the hatred, and this is really what you see here, right? The verses says that Israel is very dangerous time, and he had a lot of enemies who are waiting to fight with them, as we see today, right? So, what Israel is busy with hatred of one another, such hatred you will not find any other place. Hatred to the Prime Minister, which helps so much Israel, Yes, this hatred, jealousy, whatever it is, You will not find any place, and this is exactly what the President Rivlin said, the President of Israel said, this hatred in Israel, to the foreigner one, is sickness, which needs treatment, is what he said. So what is the treatment? Is it in here, Tshuva, to keep the Torah? And according to Torah, hatred to somebody, especially in public, is like a murder.